Good afternoon. So I would like to give you a quick tutorial on how you would need to access your child's iReady account using Clever. So if you go to clever.com, you will come up to a screen and it will say search for school. For us, you will choose Marion P. Thomas Pack Academies. After you choose this, you will then go to login with Google. It will give you an option to choose an account because most of us already have a Gmail account. So you would then click use another account if that child account is not already used in the system. For the account, you would enter in the student's ID number at mptcsstudents.org. Again, that's the student ID number. You would enter it at mptcsstudents.org. That slash should not be there. After that, you will enter in the password. Most passwords are capital MPTCS, and then you will enter the student's ID number again. Only very few of our students have different ID numbers. So if they tell you they have a different ID number, you will allow them to use that number. If you have any problems, please reach out to me. But this is what the generic password is, capital MPTCS, and then the student ID number. After that, they will enter in. You will scroll until you see the iReady logo. You will click iReady. Once you click iReady, they are going to math. On Monday through Wednesday, they will do the lessons that is under my path, and this will be geared towards their actual levels in math. They will do this Monday through Wednesday. On Thursday and Friday, they should complete the lessons that are here given by myself. And that is it. If you need more help, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.